So this is a raw voice, and if you want to turn your voice into something like this, then this tutorial is going to be very helpful for you. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your voice sound more professional using Audacity. So this tutorial is going to be very simple and easy to follow. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, open the Audacity app, and here you will see an interface like this. Normally try to record the audio. So here I'm going to record something, and that's hello, my name is Mr. TECHFOX, and now I'm recording my voice. To edit it, normally you have to select some empty areas to capture noises, and then choose effect, and then choose noise removal and repair, noise reduction. Click on this get noise profile, and then select the whole audio and click again on this effect button, and then choose noise removal and repair, noise reduction, and now OK. Repeat the process again and choose repeat noise reduction. Now we have to do some magics here. And now select the whole audio again and then choose effect, and from here choose volume and compression, and from here choose normalize. Click on this apply button. Now click again on this effect, scroll down a bit, choose legacy, and from here choose legacy compressor. Click on this apply. Now go to again effect, choose EQ and filters, choose filter curve EQ, choose preset and settings, factory presets, bass boost, apply. Again choose effect, and then scroll down a bit and choose EQ and filters again, then filter curve EQ, factory presets, treble boost, apply. Now again effect, EQ and filters, filter curve EQ, preset and settings, factory presets, low roll up for speed. Now click on this apply button. And now normally you have to choose effect, scroll down a bit, legacy limiter, and from here normally choose hard limit, and then click on this apply button. Now if you hear the voice, you will see the magic. So that's all about today's video, how you can make your voice more professional. So guys, if this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye. Allah Hafiz.